Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day, doing everything that you love and feeling good. Ever since I started using my Maliko softcover journal this past January, I've been wanting to create a simple cover for it. I don't take my journal out with me often, but even the daily use of it is breaking down the corners. Plus, eventually I like to create a cover that will hold all of the notebooks I'll be using this year for the end of the year 2018 flip through. This will be my first full year bullet journaling, and I can't wait to share the entire experience with you. I was very inspired by the simplicity of the Midori Traveler's Notebook, so I created my own version of it, changed up the shape of the cover a little bit, and added my artwork to the lining. There are amazing tutorials already for the classic Midori cover, but I want to show you how you can customize it and make it your own. Before we start, I'm so excited to announce my very first giveaway this year for all the love and support you've given me as a thank you. There will be more information throughout the video, so stay tuned to learn more about how you can enter, improve your chances of winning, and I'll go through the bundle with you and show you what you can win. I'll have the full supply list for this cover and giveaway details down in the description, so be sure to check those out before you enter or if you want to make this cover. To start this project, measure the height, width, and depth or thickness of your journal. Mine is 8 1/4 inches in height, 5 5/8 inches in width, and 1/4 inches deep. And then measure how much of an overlap you want with the flap. Mine will be about 3 1/4 inches. Now for a little math and determine the size of the piece you'll need to cut, add the width and depth together, and then multiply the total by 2. And then add the flap measurement to that total, which then equals 15 inches for me. Now add about 1 inch allowance all the way around, and then you have your overall rectangle measurement. Cut that out from your cover material. I'm using the same vinyl from both my Mark-on case and travel journal kits I made before, which is just a slightly off-white pleather that I got from my local fabric store. And then double check the size with your journal to see how it fits. For my lining, instead of using fabric, I wanted to create a custom painting for it and then print it out on paper to give it more structure. You can use your original artwork, doodle on existing wrapping paper, newspaper, or basically anything you want to use that will bond with the heat and bond. Since I love the beautiful patterns of agates, I really wanted to create something along those lines with watercolor. I have this idea of a peaceful landscape of a blush toned sky merging with the dark navy blues of the mountains. And then when I'm done with the painting, I'm going back in to add a little shine with my metallic gold and silver watercolors to give it more dimension. Since I couldn't get my darks any darker, I'm going to take a photo of it and then import it into Photoshop and add in the contrast, tweak my colors a bit, and turn it into what I envisioned. I love how this turned out. It's textural, subtle, but has a strong contrast, and it's going to be perfect for the inside of my cover. Next, I'm going to take my pleather and cut out a piece of the heat and bond, which is an iron-on adhesive, about 1/8 of an inch smaller all around. And then place the rough side down on the back side of the pleather. Iron on low heat for about 8 seconds per area. I do go into detail a little more about this process in my Mark-on case tutorial, so I'll link that below for you. Once they are bonded, peel off the backing paper and then repeat the same ironing process for the lining. Check the sizing again and then trim off as much as you need to create clean straight edges. I'm taking off about 1/8 of an inch from the top left and bottom, and then I figured out the crease of the flap by placing my journal on the cover. Move it over about 1 inch and then draw the angle by creating a point at the center. To find the center spine, place the journal in the cover where you want it and then crease the line. Now mark a 1/2 inch from the top and bottom and then 1 inch from that, and then mark the very center of the cover. Using an awl or something else, punch holes large enough for your elastic. I'm using white elastic cording I found at the jewelry aisle at the craft store, but any durable elastic cording you choose could work. Just make sure it's the thicker ones versus the thinner ones, and you want something sturdy enough to hold the weight of the journals. Feed it through the holes by following along with me, leaving a loop through the center for the closure. Add in your journal and tie it in tightly, and then adjust it if you need to. And now you're done. There are so many variations you can do with this method, so take your time and add in little details that make this journal cover yours. I may go back and change my elastic to another color or add rope instead of the elastic, but for now, this works perfectly. It is super easy to change out the journal if I need to, and I also love that I can use the flap as a bookmark, which makes it even more functional. Let me know if you have any journal related or supplies related issues that I may be able to find solutions for. I really do enjoy making all of these different cases as solutions for my issues, and I'm curious what supplies you want me to make next. Okay, now for the giveaway bundle, you will receive this or an upgraded version of this traveler's journal cover with the soft cover journal included, a set of 6 micron fine liners, and a few items from my own shop, Blush in May, which I'm trying to grow this year. You'll receive these super cute sticker sets and 2 additional future sticker sets I will be adding soon, so a total of 4 packs, and your choice of an 8x10 print, signed and dated by yours truly, all packed with love and care for you to enjoy. To enter, you must be subscribed to my channel or be following me on Instagram, and then once you click the link below or the one on my Instagram profile, you'll be directed to the contest page where I'll need your name and a valid email address where I can contact you if you're chosen. This then takes you to more actions you can do to earn more chances to win. Each one will be marked off once you complete it, and you'll be able to see your entries on the top left of the box. Contest is open internationally and until Friday, March 9th. Good luck everyone, and thank you so much for helping me reach my milestones here on YouTube and on Instagram, and cheers to many more. Plus, I've been having wonderful connections with you through my posts, comments, and tags, so keep them coming. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!